Welcome to Science Hub. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence with a focus on Baidu's groundbreaking ERNIE model. This new development is shaking up the AI landscape, and it's designed to handle more than just text data, outperforming models like GPT and Gemini in specific tests. In the business world, companies often struggle to extract valuable insights from non-text data such as engineering diagrams, factory floor videos, medical scans, and logistic dashboards. Enter ERNIE, particularly its model version ERNIE 4.5 VL28B, A3B thinking, which is engineered to tackle these exact challenges. What sets this model apart is not just its ability to handle multiple types of media but also its unique architecture. It's described as a lightweight model, activating only 3 billion parameters during operation. This design significantly cuts down the high costs associated with AI inference, which often hinders large-scale AI initiatives. ERNIE shines in processing dense non-text data. For instance, it can interpret a rush hour reminder chart to identify optimal visiting times, a task similar to resource scheduling challenges in logistics or retail. It also excels in technical fields, like solving electrical circuits using Ohm's and Kirchhoff's laws. This capability could revolutionize how designs are validated or complex diagrams are explained to new employees. A major hurdle for AI in business settings is moving from perception to automation. ERNIE 4.5 addresses this by integrating visual guidance with tool usage. It can perform tasks like identifying all individuals wearing suits in an image and returning their coordinates in a JSON format, streamlining visual inspections on production lines or reviewing site images for safety compliance. Baidu's latest model also targets corporate video archives, from training sessions to security footage. It can extract all on-screen text and link it to precise timestamps. Moreover, its temporal awareness is impressive, as it can locate specific scenes, such as those filmed on a bridge, by analyzing visual cues. The goal is to make vast video libraries searchable, enabling employees to find the exact moment a particular topic was discussed in a potentially hours-long seminar. ERNIE's advancements mark a significant leap toward the future, where AI models can see, read, and make decisions in specific business contexts. While the hardware requirements for running these models might be a hurdle for some, the potential benefits make it essential for major companies to weigh this investment against the expected gains in efficiency and analytical capability. If you enjoyed this glimpse into the future of AI, make sure to subscribe to Science Hub for more exciting science content.